Hello and welcome to my latest tour. Today we are in the Village Hotel in Blackpool in the north of the UK. So we will start from the door being behind me. This is what the Village Hotel call a double room because funnily enough you get two double beds, but we'll come on to that in a moment. So as you walk in the door there is a full length mirror just there. There is some storage, wardrobe area, there's an ironing board, an iron and a fan, large shelf with some towels, a hanging area and some space at the bottom for luggage. There is a desk, vanity area with a large television, chair, some drawers. There's a hairdryer in that top drawer, tea and coffee making facilities, and the information that the hotel give you when you check in. A large chair, heater, some artwork on the wall. Come round this way, there is a window with a very large windowsill. And if we look out there, this is a view of the front of the hotel. Come back and spin around. Try not to fall over. There are two double beds, pictures above. Each bed at the side has USB charging points, so USB-C and USB-A I think they are, I know it confuses me. Some light switches, the two beds again, another shelf in the middle with lights and light switches, and the final USB slots and more light switches, and another large comfortable chair. There was a heating control. It was very warm in here when we came in. I think the previous occupants had left the heating on full whack, so it was 28 degrees, which was rather warm for us. So we turned that off straight away. I'll just do a spin round from here. It's a very large room, with it being a double. They must have to give it a big room to fit it in. If we walk back towards the door, we can go into the bathroom. And it is a bathroom because there was a bath in here, hiding, if I get the right angle, tucked down there is a bath. There is a large shower cubicle with sort of a rainfall head and an adjustable head, and there's some products in there for you to use. Come round this way, there is the toilet and a sink with a mirror, and again there's some hand soap there and some towels, and there's a shelf under there for storage. Slightly odd things, they don't seem to give you any products to use in the bath, so I don't know how you're supposed to lather yourself up as such when you're in the bath. You have to go into the shower. They're fastened to the wall, so I don't know if that's an oversight or something, I don't know. It seems a bit strange to me. Come back out and do a final view of the room. So yeah, this is the Village Hotel in Blackpool. This is a double room, and so far it seems very comfortable. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.